Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making homemade country bread stuffed with cheese. You're going to need 4.5 cups flour, 1 cup warm milk, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1/4 cup oil, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 eggs. We're going to start with the flour. Just make the space in the center to add milk, yeast, and sugar. So add half of the milk, add yeast, add sugar, and mix it for about 5 minutes to activate the yeast. Then add the rest of the milk, add 2 eggs, add oil, and salt. Start kneading it until it stops sticking to your hands. Now this is what it looks like, soft and smooth. Put some oil in a bowl and a little bit on the dough and just oil it so it doesn't stick when it rises. Cover it with the plastic wrap and a towel and set it on the side to rise. For a fill, you're going to need 400 grams of cheese, 150 grams butter, 2 eggs, and 1 egg for glaze. Start with cheese and just add 2 eggs and mix it well. Cover the working area with flour. After the dough is doubled in size, we're just going to take it out and spread it, and then cut it in 8 even pieces, and then just roll them into little balls. It's going to be easier to spread them. After you've done all that, you can cover them with a towel or a plastic wrap. Then start rolling the balls in the size of the pan that you're going to use. You can just slowly spin it around and just spread it to that size. And don't worry about the perfect shape, as long as it's kind of close to the round shape. Then you're just going to transfer it to the pan. Just fix it by hand as close as you can to the edge. Brush the butter gently. And then spread the fill. Now just repeat this 6 more times. After you finish spreading the last one, by hands you can tuck it in and spread it evenly and make it really nice and round. Then mix 1 egg, and brush it gently all across. Then use the cutting tool or a knife if you don't have a cutting tool and cut it all the way through into 8 slices. Cover it with the towel and let it rest for about 15 minutes. Bake it at 390 for our first 15 minutes, then reduce it to 360 and bake it for another 30 minutes. Look how beautiful that come out. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.